Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this very simple face in Blender, very basic and simple face in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.